Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app and when you find it, click on it. Then tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you want to add a bookmark, click on this one. And if you wish to end it and save it, on the square one. Finally, name your recording however you want to and tap on save. You can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, tap on delete all at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to access all recording options, click on those three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings and manage all of them however you wish to, like quality. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!